Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on any of our amazing content. Whether you're a hardcore rider, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves the thrill of motorcycles, this is the place for you. Now, let's get started. Today, we have a real treat for you. An in-depth look at one of the most anticipated bikes in the supercharged sports motorcycle category, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Kawasaki's H2R series has been the epitome of extreme performance, and the 2026 iteration is no exception. The Ninja H2R has already set records for speed, power, and sheer innovation, and this new model is taking it to a whole new level. We're going to break down everything from its design, engine performance, and technology to how it feels on the road and track. So, if you're a fan of speed and cutting-edge engineering, stick around, this one's going to be exciting. Let's kick things off with the design. If you've seen any of the previous H2R models, you know that Kawasaki doesn't shy away from creating visually striking machines. The 2026 Ninja H2R continues that legacy with an updated aerodynamic design that looks even more aggressive. The bodywork is streamlined, reducing drag while maintaining that iconic, futuristic look. You'll notice the angular lines that give the bike a sharp, almost alien appearance. Kawasaki engineers have worked to refine every curve and edge, ensuring the bike stays as aerodynamic as possible for peak performance at top speeds. Another key feature is the updated carbon fiber body panels. These not only reduce weight, but also enhance the overall structural integrity of the bike. The new matte black and chrome finishes are absolutely jaw-dropping and create a sleek, menacing vibe. This bike doesn't just look fast, it looks like it's ready to break records. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 Ninja H2R features Kawasaki's legendary supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine. But this isn't just any engine, it's been completely overhauled to deliver even more power. We're talking about a staggering 350 horsepower, pushing this machine to speeds that were previously unthinkable for production motorcycles. Thanks to Kawasaki's unique supercharger technology, this engine can deliver insane acceleration, and when paired with the lightweight chassis, the power-to-weight ratio becomes absolutely unmatched in its class. The power delivery is smooth, but with that unmistakable surge when you twist the throttle, making it one of the most exhilarating bikes to ride. And don't forget about the torque. This bike is not just about raw horsepower, it also delivers a ton of low-end torque, making it incredibly responsive at any RPM. Whether you're racing down the straightaway or taking a tight corner, the power is always right there when you need it. Of course, with all that power, you need a chassis and suspension setup that can keep up, and Kawasaki has outdone themselves once again. The H2R features a state-of-the-art suspension system, which is fully adjustable to suit a variety of riding styles and conditions. The front and rear suspension are both Öhlins units, known for their precision and reliability. These are race-level components, which provide excellent control when navigating tight turns or when you're cranking the throttle down on the open road. The frame is made of high-strength aluminum, which ensures the H2R stays light and rigid, giving you that perfect balance between agility and stability at extreme speeds. Whether you're on a track or out on a winding mountain road, the H2R is built to inspire confidence, even in the most demanding situations. Now, let's dive into the tech that makes the 2026 Ninja H2R such a special bike. Kawasaki has equipped the H2R with some seriously impressive electronics, and it's clear that they are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in motorcycle technology. First off, you have the Kawasaki Intelligent Proximity Activation System. This is a feature that allows the bike to automatically adjust its power settings based on your proximity to the bike itself. When you're close to it, the bike enters a low power mode, and as soon as you mount the bike, it activates full power, optimizing the performance right from the start. Another notable feature is the updated TFT display. This 7-inch color screen not only provides all the essential riding info, like speed, RPM, fuel levels, but also integrates real-time telemetry, lap times, and even weather forecasts if you're racing on the track. The user interface is extremely intuitive, with customizable settings that allow you to adjust everything from power delivery to traction control and suspension settings. Speaking of traction control, the H2R also comes with multiple levels of electronic aids, including launch control, cornering ABS, quick shifter, and an advanced anti-wheelie system. All these features work together to make sure you can handle this monster of a bike with precision, even when pushing it to its limits. With great power comes great responsibility, and when you're hitting speeds like the ones this bike is capable of, you need top-tier brakes to bring you back to earth. The 2026 Ninja H2R is equipped with the most advanced braking system available. At the front, you'll find dual 330mm Brembo carbon disc brakes, which offer unparalleled stopping power, even at high speeds. These carbon discs are the same technology used in aerospace applications, so you can be sure they can handle the immense forces this bike generates. At the rear, a 250mm disc keeps things balanced, giving you the braking confidence you need on all surfaces. The bike also comes with Kawasaki's advanced KIBS Kawasaki Intelligent Braking System, which monitors each wheel's speed to adjust braking force in real time. This makes braking smoother, safer, and more controlled. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the performance. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is built for speed, and it doesn't disappoint. On the track, it's a monster. The bike is capable of reaching over 249 mph, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles on the market today. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.5 seconds. But speed isn't everything. What really sets the H2R apart is how it performs at the limits. Thanks to its aerodynamics, suspension, and tech, it's stable even at top speeds, with minimal rider fatigue. On a track, it feels like you're riding on rails, smooth, predictable, and incredibly responsive. On the road, the H2R's power is just as impressive. But it's not all about going fast. The bike's comfort and handling at lower speeds are just as good, making it an absolute joy to ride on long journeys or around town. Of course, the sound of that supercharged engine echoing through the streets is a whole other experience. So, you're probably wondering, how much is this beast going to cost? Well, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R will set you back around $90,000 and it's definitely on the premium side, but considering the technology, performance, and exclusivity, it's not entirely surprising. As for availability, Kawasaki plans to release the H2R later this year, but only in select markets. It's not going to be widely available, so if you're interested, you'll have to act fast to secure one of these limited production bikes. And there you have it, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. A true marvel of engineering, a track monster, and a street king. If you've got the budget and the need for speed, this bike will not disappoint. What do you think about the new H2R? Do you think it's worth the price tag, or is it too extreme for most riders? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and ride smart.